You don't just hear this, you actually experience it. Got hiccups? Here's a crazy trick to stop them instantly. Right after a hiccup, tilt your head back and look up. Open your mouth wide like you're trying to prepare your throat for a giant pole. Don't actually do it. Imagine widening your esophagus to give the hiccups some space. Instantly, the hiccups can go away. It works because stretching your throat and changing your posture helps reset your diaphragm. Try it yourself and thank me later. If you liked this one, wait till the next trick. It's even crazier. I'm not even going to tell you to like or subscribe. You'll do it yourself if you enjoyed it.